my god, okay. I had breakfast, I took a bath and everything. I slept also because I was feeling super sleepy. And actually, we are going today afternoon, and I'm super excited because I am like crazy fan of Hrithik Roshan and even Deepika. So, yeah, I think. So, huh. So, let's just complete those last two chapters. So we are going to the fighter movie, and my girls are looking absolutely amazing. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Back problem.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂದು ಮುಗಿಯದ ಆಸಿಡಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತವಿದೆ ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ನಿನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕು.
Control, this is Paddy on finals. Requesting permission for a low inverted run.
No way.
Oh my god, I just came back from the movie and it was so good. It was so good. Hrithik Roshan, oh, so sexy. And Deepika Padukone, तो पता ही है. The movie was amazing. We went to 3D movie. तो वो चश्मे दिए थे और जो फाइटर पायलट्स आ रहे थे ना, it was like boom. मेरे मुंह पे आ रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है, and it was so good experience. If you go in 3D, watch it in 3D. Amazing movie. And yeah, बहुत सारा पैट्रियोटिज्म है. लव इट. इमोशंस, थ्रिलर, रोमांस, एक्शन सीन्स, सब कुछ है इसमें. एंड ऋतिक रोशन है, बस और क्या चाहिए. एक्चुअली हीरो हीरोइन तो अच्छे है ही, बट आई लव द विलन. ओके, विलन वॉज किलर, अमेजिंग. क्या एक्सप्रेशन है. एक्चुअली द विलन, उसका एक आँख रेड कलर का था. एंड एज सुन एज आई सॉ द विलन, आई वाज लाइक, इसको तो स्क्लेराइटिस है, इसको तो एपिस्क्लेराइटिस है, इसको तो कंजक्टिवाइटिस है. एंड लाइक मेरा सारा ऑप्थल पड़ा हुआ भर आ रहा है.
100 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह से.
I think by the time I upload this vlog on YouTube, Fighter movie will already be like trending. I think so. So you can just go and watch it. Must, amazing. Hrithik Roshan, Deepika, looking like a wow. Seriously, मजा आ गया seriously. Okay, back to looking homeless. बहुत हो गया मूवी. चलो अब पढ़ने लग जाते हैं, वरना पता चले एग्जाम में हमारे ही मूवी बस. Let's start studying. Hi guys, it's the next day and finally started forensic medicine. Yeah, so 2 parts are there: forensic medicine and toxicology. This is separate. Forensic medicine has 23 chapters and उसको मिला के total मिला के 38 chapters है. This is like okayish for me, not too much. मतलब इसमें सब कुछ बाहर करने का चीज़ है. This is also easy, but yeah, I need to study. Like, I need to read it once again. I have read it. This for revision करना है. It's easy, not difficult. But the only thing is कि जो पढ़ा होता है वो याद नहीं रहता. तो I have to give more number of revisions so that I remember whatever I have read. So this is the scene with forensic. And yeah, today morning 6 o'clock I got up and completed 5 chapters. And yeah, every 3 hours I'm thinking to complete at least 5 chapters so that first आज पूरा दिन forensic medicine हो जाएगा, कल 3 घंटे बैठ के ये हो जाएगा. Because I have made notes for these. I have not made notes for this. I'm reading directly from the textbook. So yeah, I'm studying right now death and its causes. Next, yeah, let's go for this. I just had my lunch and also took a bath. Let's start our study session. नींद आ रही है यार, आफ्टरनून है, बट देन टू begin. I by mistakenly slept. I was feeling so sleepy. It's so evident from my eyes. I'm still in sleepy mode. गिर रही हूँ ऐसे. Why do I get pimple and acne during exam season? I don't like this. 5 days are left. Exam. उठ जाओ, उठ जाओ. Okay, I don't want to make this video super boring and me studying always. So let me just tell you something very interesting which I found out here. A very interesting case I thought maybe. So let me just show you. Yeah, this one. A 40-year unemployed male took poison, tried to hang himself, stabbed himself with a knife, and finally jumped out of the 7th-story window only to survive and land up in a hospital and police custody. He made all these attempts after stabbing his girlfriend to death in a Bangkok hotel room in the morning and writing on the wall with her blood, "If you think money is more important, we should die together." I mean, what? What the hell? What? Too much to handle at once. Okay, there's one more interesting case. I'm not able to find it. Let me find it. Okay, this is Sydney shark case. James Smith disappeared on April 8th, 1935. A shark was caught alive 14 days later, which vomited a human arm at the aquarium where it was kept. Medical examination revealed that the arm was severed from a dead body by a sharp weapon. Smith's wife and brother identified the arm from the tattoo of the two men boxing. The identity was also confirmed by fingerprints. Later, Patrick Brady was tried for his murder at Sydney. I was like, what? And this is like medical legal importance of tattoo marks. This James Smith नाम का बंदा उसके हाथ पे there was a tattoo of two men boxing, okay, and apparently someone murdered him by cutting his arm off, okay, but he didn't know, maybe the murderer didn't know that he had a tattoo or something, and that guy threw his hand, like Smith's hand, like cut हुआ हाथ in the aquarium, and in that aquarium there were sharks. The shark ate the hand like that, I don't know how, ate it, and a few days later the shark was caught and that missing hand was found, and yeah, that tattoo mark was still intact on his arm, Smith's arm, and his wife and child, I guess, brother, wife and brother identified that tattoo mark, and yeah, they got to know that that hand is of James Smith, and later I think, yeah, the murderer was also caught, whose name was Patrick Brady, was tried for his murder at Sydney. So this is basically telling the importance of tattoo marks, like medico-legal importance of tattoo marks in forensic medicine. These are not realistic, but forensic में कुछ भी हो सकता है, कोई भी आके किसी को भी मार सकता है, किसी भी तरीके से मार सकता है, and you'll be wondering like इतना genius दिमाग किसी को मारने के लिए कोई use कर सकता है. And I was reading forensic medicine, and it is such an underrated subject, I feel, because it is very interesting, but कोई भी इसको as a PG branch लेना नहीं चाहता, because it's not a clinical branch. Now you don't see patients like other specialties or like that. It is more of like death ke baad, means you are like a person, his death has occurred, and you are doing his autopsy to find out the cause of death and all the related stuffs, time of death, cause of death and everything. Very अभी भौंकना रहता है जब मैं शूट करती हूँ तो. So I feel that forensic, हाँ ये कर लो पहले, हाँ ये कर लो पहले. So I feel like forensic is a very underrated subject, but it is very 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 interesting. I feel कि सिर्फ CID related नहीं है, मतलब बहुत और कुछ भी related है, especially if you are someone who used to watch CID a lot. But CID में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ पुलिस एंगल दिखाते थे, कैसे वो मुजरिम को पकड़ते थे, बट अ लॉट ऑफ द थिंग्स गोज बिहाइंड ऑल्सो, स्पेशली आफ्टर रीडिंग दिस फॉरेंसिक, कि Dr. Saluke was there na in CID. Dr. Saluke and that girl with curly hair, I don't know her name, both of them were actually forensic medicine pathologists, I can say, forensic experts, and they used to do the autopsy and everything, and the way they used to explain like ये मार्क है स्किन पे तो ये वेपन हो सकता है या फिर ऐसा कुछ, that was like seriously amazing. Like usually normal pathology wala autopsy is different. Like you know the disease, what the patient is suffering, but in forensic autopsy, it is not like that. You have to find the cause of death, and you have to, it's like a quiz, a puzzle. What can be the cause of death? What can be the time of death, or manner of death, or weapon used, everything. It's actually very interesting, forensic. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. थोड़ा चैप्टर्स नहीं हुए कल, तो आज करना है. I have some 7-8 chapters to do, and they are pretty easy. और छोटे छोटे हैं तो हो जाएगा. That I'll complete, and then I'll start revising toxicology. Toxicology is पूरा रट्टे मारने का है. कुछ भी उसमें कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, बस सब कुछ रट्टा मारो सारे पॉइजन्स के बारे में. So that is something which I have to do today, and if I complete toxicology, then whole first revision of forensic will be done. So that फिर से second revision start करना है. और today is Saturday, और मंडे मुझे जाना है हॉस्टल, क्योंकि वेडनेसडे को एग्ज़ाम है मेरा. एंड आई वॉन्ट टू टेक एटलीस्ट 1 day so that I adjust in hostel. जैसे सडनली जाके मुझे एग्ज़ाम नहीं लिखना है. एंड आई हैव टू टेक हॉल टिकट ऑल्सो फ्रॉम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ही हैज़ टेकन माई हॉल टिकट. एक्चुअली जब वी वर सिटिंग इन द मूवी थिएटर फॉर वॉचिंग फाइटर मूवी, ऐसे टंग करके आवाज़ आया था मेरे फ़ोन पे कि हॉल टिकट्स आर रेडी, जस्ट गो एंड टेक इट. सो आई हैड टोल्ड माई बेस्टी टू टेक इट, एंड या ही हैज़ टेकन इट. आई हैव टू कलेक्ट माई हॉल टिकट फ्रॉम हिम, एंड देन बिना हॉल टिकट को तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं ना एग्ज़ाम लिखने के लिए, तो वो करना है. एंड हाँ, थोड़ा ग्रोसरीज भी लेना है, बिकॉज मुझे मेस का खाना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग एग्ज़ाम टाइम. पता नहीं और ज़्यादा बकवास बनाने लग जाते हैं, तो आई डोंट want to, like, I want to cook my own food. It is time consuming during exam time, but मैं स्नैक्स टाइप कुछ लूँगी जो जल्दी बन जाएगा, जल्दी खाने को लग जाएगा और अच्छा भी रहेगा टेस्ट. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग टू टेक फ्रूट्स ऑल्सो, बट वो सब कोपल जाके करने का काम है. अभी का काम पढ़ने का है. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट स्टडीइंग. लुक एट द सन. हार्वर्ड में तो ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि विंटर का मौसम है, जनवरी का मौसम है. इट्स लाइक थोड़ा कोल्ड विंड इज़ देयर, दैट्स इट. एंड आफ्टर दैट इट्स लाइक हीट, लाइक लिटरल हीट. सो मच ऑफ सन इज़ देयर. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है. मैंने एक भी स्वेटर नहीं पहना यहाँ के, कुछ भी नहीं. एक स्वेटर नहीं, एक सॉक्स नहीं, मफलर नहीं, कुछ नहीं. आई एम इन माई समर क्लोथ ओनली. आराम से, वेरी कंफर्टेबल. Okay, hi. Hello from Queen of Jhansi. I just now washed my hair because my scalp was becoming really itchy. But update, I taught whole of toxicology to my friend Robert. And Robert or Alvaro? Robert, I think. Robert ही नाम रखा था ना तुझे? Okay. I taught him whole toxicology. That basically means I taught him, means I also learned toxicology. I studied completely. So forensic is complete, but I will be revising it again. PSM, I think, yeah, PSM और forensic मैं बार बार revise करती रहूँगी because I'm still not feeling confident with it. I have to revise it again and again and remember all the things. मार कौन रहा है यहाँ पे? I think that's my mom. कुछ तो बना रही है वो, because I'm going to hostel tomorrow. And मेरे को बहुत बुरा लग रहा है because from the past 2.5 months I'm in home and I'm studying. From the past 75 days actually I'm in home and like yeah, studying for the exams. बीच में एक ब्रेक लिया था, but उसके बाद फिर से I went on and studied and everything. बीच में मैंने Instagram पे एक 30 days challenge करके भी किया था and I completed it. So yeah, so the last 75 days have been really like chaotic. I have always been studying and कहीं गई भी नहीं बाहर. मैं घर पे रहती हूँ. I don't have any friends here nearby, just go and chilling like that. So I just stay in my room and just study और कुछ भी नहीं करती मैं. Yeah, whenever I get free time I just make videos, reels and stuff like that. I sometimes dance also to my favorite songs whenever I feel like really down or I want some boost of energy. Whenever I want to feel happy I just dance out. Other than that I think I do some craft works, I do some art and things in my room only. I don't go outside or stuff. फैमिली के साथ तो जाती रहती हूँ, बट एनीवेज आई फाइंड पीस इन बीइंग अलोन. मुझे देख के ऐसा लगता है कि आई एम वेरी एक्सट्रोवर्ट, बट नो, लाइक आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन स्पीकिंग alone in my room to a camera and talking with the camera rather than like going out and talking with people because I suck at it. I don't know. This thing I have never done before, like vlogging, shooting, making videos, shooting vlogs, editing it and uploading it, and at the same time studying for your final exams. This thing I have never done before. So yeah, it's actually very difficult for me to manage everything at once. Like, you have to study for exams, you have to shoot videos, you have to vlog, and keep updating, edit also, and upload also. So it is a bit of a task, but I want to balance everything. I want to manage everything at once. I love multitasking, but at the same time I don't want to compromise on my studies or my marks at all, because studies are always first priority than YouTube. But yeah, I tried my best in balancing both of them. I really hope that you guys like this road to final year vlog, exam preparation vlog kind of, because I don't want to make a video in which I'm just showing the unrealistic part of me. I want to show the realistic study preparation, because so many days I was procrastinating, so many days I just slept without studying anything, and so many days I didn't complete my targets, whatever, or goals which I had put up for myself, and I showed it in the vlog or in the videos, because I want to make it realistic and not a kind of, toxic positivity or toxic motivation wala vlog or something. This is just a real girl, real study thing happening for third year MBS final exams. I really hope you guys liked it and it was like worth watching. By the time you are watching this video, I will be already finished half of my exams. Feels so weird to say this, but yeah, I'm just hoping that all my exams just go well. Do wish me luck in the comment section, and do leave this emoji right over here for telling me that you watched this video till the end. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching and supporting my channel. It means so much. Like, whenever I see that some video is performing well, I genuinely feel so happy that all my efforts are worth it. They are literally going like well. I feel so happy, and I'm really grateful. My channel is growing, I'm gaining subscribers and views, which I'm loving it, because to be honest, I just love making videos. I love talking to the camera. It's like a feeling of a family, like a second family that I'm speaking with. So my YouTube audience is like my second family, and with whom I can share everything without any judgment. I feel like that. My hair is a bit wet right now, so that's why, and it's curly, so it is a little bit annoying to me, but it's okay. So tomorrow I will be going to my hostel. I will be traveling 3 hours straight, and I will be reaching my hostel and everything. I will set up my room. My roommate has already come, so that will not be a big task for me, but it's a new environment. Like, from the past 2.5 months I am studying in this environment, in my room and in my space, and suddenly everything changes. It's like it will take time to adjust, but I'm just hoping that everything goes well and my exams go well, and yeah, this vlog also goes well and people really like watching this. Yeah, do let me know if you like watching such videos. I am really happy to make more such videos for you all. And yeah, with this, I think that is it for today's video, guys. Wish me luck in the comment section. I just hope my exams go well. Yeah, so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you super soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling. Bye bye.